So, to talk about this candidate's language competency and my assessment regarding her language competency, I would say that she would be placed between 5.5 and 6. So her band score for the speaking part 1 actually is 5.5 and 6. The reason being is we have 4 descriptors when it comes to evaluating a student's competency or language skills. The first one is fluency, which is how well or how smoothly the candidate is able to use language and to be understandable when he or she is talking. The second one is lexical resource, which is a big name. It means basically the words or phrases, the range of vocabulary words and phrases that someone uses. The third descriptor is grammatical range and accuracy, how correctly and accurately a candidate is able to use language in order to communicate, to use like compound and advanced or complex sentence constructions. And the last one is pronunciation. So the candidate's pronunciation was not clear enough. She still needs to practice more so that she would be able to articulate the words, enunciate the words more understandably and more clearly. She also was not able to develop her answers. So in terms of grammar, she was not able to use compound or complex grammar. And then in terms of vocabulary range as well, she was not also able to use upper intermediate or even intermediate level vocabulary words. So generally, all these components contribute to her level or her band score being placed at 5.5 and 6.